Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I have not done a video in a really long time, and if you guys had seen my post maybe about a week or so ago, I posted in the community tab that I have been having some really bad neck and shoulder pain earlier this month. It has been getting better, so I can finally get back into the swing of things and I'm not in so much pain. So this video, I just wanted to share a recent haul that I did over at MFT Stamps, as well as some things that will be upcoming on my channel that I have been planning in my downtime while I have not been feeling so great. So first, let me get on with the MFT haul. I took advantage of their recent sale. They had 30% off of everything in their store, and of course it came in their signature box, and that is so true that this box contains a whole lot of happy, and everything is packaged so nicely in here. And I do save these boxes and I use them for either to send out other happy mail or other types of mail that I need this size of box for. And also, these are really great to use for like splatter boxes. And they're beautiful tissue paper. So let me go ahead and pull the items out and share with you guys what I picked up. Alrighty. So if you guys are not already signed up for MFT's newsletter, I definitely recommend it because they are constantly having sales. So I only picked up one stamp set, and it is this one. This is the Sweet Holiday Penguins, but I think I can use it during winter as well. It doesn't have to just be for Christmas or the holidays. And these penguins are so stinking cute. I believe this was the first set that was designed by Stacy Yakula, and her images are just so precious. So I got that. Let me go ahead. I'll save the dies for last. I did pick up one stencil, and it is the Drifts and Hills stencil so that I can create some scene cards. I picked up two of their background stamps, and this one, and I'm really sorry for the glare. This one is the Typewriter Text, the large rubber cling stamp. Let me go ahead and take it out so that you guys can see it a little bit better. That is what that looks like. I think this will make a great background on some future cards, so I can't wait to use that. And the other background stamp that I picked up is the Radiating Halftone. And this is what that looks like. So if you guys can see, it's a circular pattern, but the dots get smaller as you go towards the right, and it just gives a great, not so perfect background. Lately I've been really into a lot of the halftone stamps that other companies have been coming out with as well. So this will make a great background. And then everything else I picked up are dies, and I did go ahead and cut these out for you so you guys can see what they look like. So first, this is the Free with 60 that I received. This is the Mondo Cheers, and it is a really, really good size. This measures about 3 7/8, or almost 3 7/8 across. So that's a really, really nice size. Here it is cut out. I love the scripty font, and this will take center stage on a card. So pretty. I love that. So that is the Mondo Cheers. And these two, they are the Lots of Hearts and Lots of Hearts outlines. So you get 6 different hearts, and as you can see, they look really similar. So I cut them out here for you guys. So these are the Lots of Hearts, and then the Lots of Hearts outline. And I just kept the inside in so that I can show you. So these will layer perfectly on top of this so that I can make some shakers. That's what I wanted to do with these. So there's that one. So those are the, so again, those are the lots of hearts and lots of hearts outlines. Next, I picked up the Peekaboo Wonky windows. I thought this would be so much fun, but it comes with these two dies. There's stitching around the edge. It does not cut out the outer edge. It actually leaves that stitching around the perimeter, and then it cuts out the interior window. So this is the largest one. I cut this out of an A2 size panel. So that's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And I thought it would be so cute to either create some shaker cards with this, or to have a critter or two peeking out of this window. And I love it that it's wonky. And then here is the smaller one. I believe this is a 5 by 5 panel that I cut this out of. And of course, you can orient the die any way that you want. To have the pointy side go either on the left side or the right side. So I think this die set will be so fun. And I finally caved in and picked up the lip balm window and frame. And I'm sure you guys have seen this, but I've never picked this up. And of course, I had to get the pouches. These are the lip balm shaker pouches. All the items that I picked up, I will have linked in the description box if you guys are interested in either purchasing them or getting more information. But you get, I believe, 10 pouches in here. And I actually wanted to try out a tutorial that I saw where you don't end up having to rip the back of the lip balm when you gift it, because that was always kind of a deterrent for me. When I get gifted these by someone that's made it, I never want to rip the back off. And I know that's the point, but I don't know, I'm just silly like that. So all of the ones that I've received, I've never been used because I like to keep it in their packaging. So hopefully the tutorial that I want to try out works, and if it does, I'll share that with you guys in case you guys want to try it. So that is what I picked up. I cannot wait to play with these items. So I have 2 series in mind that I'm currently working on, and the first one is organization series, and mostly because this summer I went a little ham on trying to get everything in my craft room organized, and I thought I'd just show you the process of organizing certain things, and hopefully they'll help you, because I know personally I always search for craft room organization videos to see if maybe some system that somebody else is using might work for me. So hopefully that's what will inspire you to either try out something new, or try something that you never thought of, something like that. So hopefully you guys enjoy that, and stay tuned for that. The first episode of that will be coming out sometime this week. And I also have been really into the alcohol inks lately. I have done a couple like playing around with my alcohol inks months and months ago, but I haven't really had a chance to play around with them. But now that with the pearls that have come out, and they are so pretty, I wanted to just show you some ways that you can use them, and hopefully you guys will enjoy that as well. So Also, leave me a comment down below and let me know if there's anything else that you guys want to see on my channel. I'm hoping that I'm not as sporadic as I have been, because my goal starting this year was to be more consistent. So, unfortunately, health does take precedence over doing my videos, and I was just in a lot of pain. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you guys are excited for some new different stuff that will be coming out on my channel, and I hope you guys are having a fantastic week, and I will see you guys in my next video real soon. Bye everyone.